ARPHA's keyless entry option is pitched as a flexible, multi-user smart lock for households that want code sharing and property management features. The Amazon listing emphasizes support for app, password, key and mechanical key entry, and it advertises support for up to 100 groups of access codes, which is great if you run short-term rentals, manage family members, or have frequent service tech visits. As always, the actual Amazon price changes with promotions and sellers, so I'll remind viewers to click the link in the description. We share by links in description box. Feature-wise, ARPHA focuses on anti-peep code entry, auto-lock, easy installation, and broad access management, the kind of functionality that makes it useful for Airbnb hosts or multi-occupant homes who need to create, revoke, and audit access without changing keys. Amazon customer reviews on the product page tend to split between praise for the access management features and concerns about long-term reliability. Some reviewers are thrilled with the convenience of one-time codes and app logs, while others advise buyers to double-check compatibility with their door thickness and to keep physical keys handy during the first few weeks. The typical pros are massive flexibility, 100 access codes, good admin tools via the app, and easy DIY install. The cons are the usual suspects for third-party smart locks, occasional app glitches reported by users, potential need for a gateway for full remote access depending on the variant you buy, and variable build quality impressions across different batches. On camera, I'd say ARPHA is a great tool for hosts and large families who need dynamic access control. But if you want a fuss-free install and never think about it, consumer lock, factor in the extra setup and account management. Don't forget to check the buy link in the description. We share buy links in description box.